Hi Ken. So here's your video for the swing trading software. In front of you here, you've got the swing trading software in itself. Here is the AI part of the software at the top. This is what does all the calculations and algorithm churning. And at the bottom, we have a static indicator known as the squeeze. It's a market favorite, really. It's one of our best-selling indicators down the bottom, and it really works on all markets, futures, stocks, and forex. As you're a futures trader, I've set this up in momentum mode, but you can set it up for counter trend mode as well, which basically for counter trend traders, it shows you when you could be taking shorts or pullback trades within a market. Not something I recommend for futures, so to keep everything clear, we're going to leave it off counter trend mode this time. Okay, so the best way I like to trade this on the futures market is to take squeezes. So the best probability trades, I'm waiting for black dots to fizzle out, which is a bit of a choppy market. Once this happens, we get the grey bar, which means we're now in a squeeze. That's a really good entry point. We would take the trade on this bar generally. And then we would trail our stop up each day. So really not much work, 30 minutes work if you're swing trading. Again, you can drill this down to 30 minute, 60 minute, 120 minute, whatever charts you want. We recommend above a 30-minute chart on a swing trading system. It really depends on your rules. When you purchase this system, we send you out a little questionnaire. It's called your trading plan. You fill it in, and we'll write you a trading plan based around using this system, and you can adapt that to how you want to trade. Personally, with futures trading, I only take long trades. I don't downtrend the market. I literally take longs, and this provides a really good income from trading that. So again, to go through some of the features here, we have a 50 EMA, we have an 80 EMA, and what we're doing is, and we have a trading stop. We enter the market each day. We move our stop to where these dots move to, and some people like to use the ATMA for that as well. Again, it really depends on how you're trading this system. Um, it works on machine learning and AI. So what it's doing is it's looking back at 10 years of data. It's then capitalizing on the latest 200 bars, and it's looking at previous market trends compared to the latest algorithmic trends, and giving you the best probabilities of entries and exits. The bars color blue whilst you're in a trade, the signals generate. So the big blue dot here is a signal. That is your first stop to enter on if you decided to get on that bar. Like I said before, I wait for the grey, which is really where the trend starts. I would enter on this bar, I would use this stop, and then I would trail up each day. Again, some people just like to get what they can out of the trade and exit on their own strategy. Some people want to bail out when you get dark blue bars. Some people want to bail out when it hits the 8 EMA. It really is for you to define, but with our trading plan, we can help with that. Moving along to ES now. Exactly the same. This is one of the strongest signals you can get. When we change from down momentum, we get a black squeeze and then we get a grey squeeze, and it flips the side. This is the strongest trade you can get on this system. It really is where everything lines up, and it's the ones that I set this up to email me on. So again, this system can be set up to run in the background on a server on your home PC, and it can email you once a trade sets up in the best way. Okay, so when that flips over, we're taking this bar here, we're using this stop, or we can use the 50 EMA as our stop. Depends how much of an aggressive trader you are and how much you want to risk. That's quite a lengthy stop to be away, so I would choose here the 50 EMA as my stop. As this then moves up, I'm moving my stop up each day until all the way up here you can see we start to diminish, we start to get down momentum, and the market flips over. Now, this red bar is obviously an opposing signal, which all traders would get out on that bar. But if you miss it, you have been protected by your stop, so you've already locked in this profit. We do have Wednesday webinars on this for all customers. And in that webinar, it's kind of an open forum. We all talk about our trades. Some people like to bring up charts, and I'm there to kind of school you with Richard to say, you know, this is how you could have done better on that chart. This is how you could have done better on that chart, and here's some ideas for that. The software auto updates, plus we send out a yearly kind of patch for you. That's all free of charge. And like I said, you get a free trading plan. You get free access to the Wednesday webinars. I say Wednesday. Wednesdays is future swing trading. Every day of the week, we have some sort of webinar, from day traders to forex traders, stock traders, futures traders. Your particular webinar would be each Wednesday for futures. So I hope that kind of shows you how the system works. My background is machine learning for banks. So back when I left university, I was picked up quite quickly by banks, because we were looking at machine learning back before AI was even a thing that was spoken about in the news. So all of this code derives from there. We were writing penny pinchers for banks. We were writing algorithmic herning tools for banks. And then once I kind of seen, wow, people make a lot of money trading, I started trading myself, and that's how this company was born 14 years ago now. So I hope that answers your questions, and you've seen the system. Because it's static at the moment, you're not seeing it in all its glory. But you know, I hope to have you on board. I hope to have you as one of our new customers, and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.